Hi guys, today I wanted to share some of the things we've been harvesting from our garden. I've been doing garden tours, but you guys have not seen the harvest yet. So summer has started and things are coming in, so wanted to give you guys a glimpse what we have coming. So we have a few different kind of carrots, purple ones and your regular orange ones. So we have half a bed of carrots. So we're thinking we're gonna juice these. I've recently pulled out the last bulb of elephant garlic, which I let go to seed. I've created another video. This is one of the last pieces of elephant garlic we pulled out of the garden. Over here we have two types of onions. They are golf ball size right now. So one is red carpet and another one is Talon from Johnny Seeds. So we're gonna start pulling these out and start using them in our salads. Here are the pickling cucumbers. This one is called Pick a Bushel. We've been harvesting these for a couple of weeks now, so every couple of days we get 4 or 5 from 6 plants we have growing. Tomatoes. These couple of tomatoes are Black Krim. It's a Russian variety. They are growing on a plant which I have grafted on a rootstock. This particular one is called Mortgage Lifter. I just picked it today, and I try to pick them early from the vine and let them ripen inside the house so that other things don't get to them before we can use them. These 3 tomatoes are called Stu Peach. These are one of the early varieties, 55 days usually, and they are golf ball size. They are very delicious, so their taste is excellent. This is one of the tomatoes I'm gonna save seeds from and grow the subsequent year. This particular one I'm growing for the first time. It's a little bigger than golf ball, and it's very similar to shape and size to Stu Peach. It's called Wisconsin 55. So this is the first one we picked so far. I'm letting it ripen and then we'll do the taste test. Over here we have almost a tennis ball size tomato called Anna Russian. This should be a heart-shaped tomato. It's a little oddly shaped. It's bright pink in appearance, and again, I've picked it a few days earlier from the vine, and it's sitting in our pantry in a brown bag. I'm letting it ripen. Looking forward to taste this one because a lot of people say very great things about this particular variety, Anna Russian. Here are our, again, another Russian variety, Black Krims. So they are picked again. I picked them early from the vine so that we can let them ripen inside the house. They are a darker color and green shoulders, so they have smoky taste or earthy taste, as you would call it. We've already taken off one and ripen it. We let it over ripen, so we are trying to be vigilant. When this one gets ripe, we don't over ripen it and try and taste it. The one which we already tasted got a little mushy. Over here we have 4 tomatoes of a hybrid plant called Celebrity. This plant didn't do well in my garden this year. This is a big producer, and hence I selected it in case my heirlooms don't do well, but opposite has happened. Heirlooms in the buckets are struggling a little, and hybrid, this particular plant I pulled out of the garden. I think it got, in my opinion, early blight. So I just got these 4 tomatoes, and they are hardly bigger than a golf ball. Over here is a hybrid tomato, again patio choice. This is first in my garden to mature, so I keep getting harvest of this, and each plant produces over 100 tomatoes. These are a current variety called Candyland Red. So they haven't fully ripened yet, but since I was making this video I wanted to get a couple of these. They are very prolific, lots of fruit on the plant, but their skin is super thick, so even though they have good taste profile, we might not grow them again because of the super hard skin. Over here is our first set of hot peppers. This is a bag full of green beans. This might be the last harvest we are getting of green beans. They are two type, yellow and green, because these plants are infested by a Mexican beetle, and those are everywhere and they're annihilating the plants. These peppers are semi-hot pepper, just like Hungarian yellow wax peppers. So we haven't grown them before or tasted them yet, so we are wondering how they would taste. We will do a review. And here are the big ones, which are not hot, they are sweet, and we are going to cook them. So that's the harvest, guys, in totality from our garden. I put a couple of things there for size comparison. So these are the things which are coming out of garden. Let us know what you think. Thank you for watching.